Let's crack the eggs, man. You wanna do it? You want that to show you? Open the egg. Half a banana?
Yeah.
Let's do half a banana.
Take
This?
up.
Oh, thank you. Just... I'm gonna add a little bit of the sweet rice flour for like a mochi pancake. Let's try it. Ooh. That's a good position to make some pancake mix. No longer a pancake, it's like an omelet now. I kind of messed up. Baby, man. Try it yourself. What's up, guys? Today's day 1658 of us living the van life lifestyle with family of 3, soon to be 4, traveling to the US. And we're currently in Viva Norton Marina campground here in Wyoming. This is a day in our lives. We came here yesterday with our friends Hoy, Vu, Caleb, and Chase. They're camped right behind us, and we're right here. This is our camping area. We had a really nice night last night. Got a campfire going, got some s'mores, and the kids had a lot of fun running around. And this is a really pleasant, quiet, and enjoyable camping area, and got views of the lake in the back as well, which is awesome. And today we're going to be kind of hanging out here in the campground for the morning. We might actually head over to a national monument nearby, depending on the time. And we already got done with breakfast, and we're just going to hang out here for a little bit, and then we're going to make our drive continuing towards Jackson, Wyoming. That's where we're going to go next. Look, Mama's in the tent.
Oh, umbrella? You want to open the umbrella? Open. They come later. Oh, wow!
You afraid of the sun, Spence?
You
The sun, yeah. There's a lot of bugs flying around here, for sure. Right there.
Let's do it together. Mama.
Who is it? Good morning. Hi, Caleb.
Hi.
Good morning, Caleb. Good morning, guys. It's hot today.
It's really sunny.
Yeah. You put your whole hand in the bubble jar? Don't put the whole thing in there, Spence. Spence. You're making a big mess here. Let me play s'mores. Thank you. That's what we did yesterday, didn't we?
Can you hold this right here?
Yeah.
S'mores.
Hey. Yeah. We're about to leave the camping area now. We're going to continue making a drive towards Jackson. We don't know if we're going to be making it in one shot because it's going to be a 3-hour drive and we have kids on board. And the game plan is if either Spencer wakes up early or if Caleb doesn't sleep through the 3-hour drive that we're going to be having, then we're going to find a spot earlier to camp so that they're not, stuck in the car seat for too long while awake. So that's kind of what we're thinking. We're going to make our drive back to the town nearby, Camire, to stock up on fuel, get some lunch, and then we'll start making our drive towards Jackson. All right, are you going to be doing some driving, Spence? Yeah, you driving? Yeah. You'll be able to reach one day. Yeah, you'll be able to reach one day. This is the Warren Bridge Recreation Area. Wow, this place is pretty nice. Okay, let's go this way. I think this is a site here. Yeah, that's fine. A few other campers here, it looks like. Yeah, this is a good site here. Ooh, this is a pretty nice site. Alright, let's get parked. We are here. Spencer is still napping. Let's check out the site. Check out this site. This is pretty incredible. Right by the river. We are living in a van down by the river. Look how rapid the water is. Definitely got to be super careful with the kids. But this is really nice. Yeah, another wonderful van life spot here. We ended up not making all the way to Jackson. Caleb woke up halfway and we still have about an hour and 40 minutes to drive, so it would be tough for them to continue driving with Caleb being up. So we decided to come here at this spot. I think it's a nice stop to kind of stay for the night. I mean, really beautiful spot here in Wyoming. And yeah, and we'll continue making the drive tomorrow. And they are here. Hi, Caleb. Spencer is still napping. He's still napping. They were both sleeping at the same time. Did you have a good nap, Spence?
Give me some time.
You napped for like 3 hours, Spence. Caleb's waiting for you. Right, Caleb? Are you waiting? Waiting for Spencer.
Caleb, Spencer's awake.
Awake! Put the
Dinosaur.
Citrella stickers.
It's not really working, but
I mean, I smell the Citrella. It's pretty strong, right? You got the frog and the zebra. How is it? Pretty cool, right?
Panda.
Oh my god, a bunch too. Alright, I think that's all we need.
Dinosaur.
You want a dinosaur, Caleb? Whoa, it's a dinosaur sticker. This way, this way, this way.
This is a rabbit.
Yeah. Pick up some sticks, Spence, so we can throw in the campfire there. Here, here's another one.
Huh?
Yeah, there's a big one here. What about this one? Ooh. What about this one, Spence? Whoa. Whatever we have, let's throw it in. Let's throw it in here, Spence. Thank you. Caleb. Be careful, Caleb. Yeah, there's some rain coming, it looks like. It started to rain, so we're just going to be hanging back in the van for a little bit and wait for it to stop, and then we're going to go back out later on. I still need to edit some videos from yesterday, and Spencer's watching a little Curious George. We're doing some color by number. You want to see some out here? Got some purple yam the other day. This is perfect for campfire. Let me wash these. We gotta go outside and cook it, okay?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. You put it on yourself. Nice job. What about the other one? Put this one on too. Nice job. You want to get Caleb to come out too? Knock, 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 knock again.
I thought it was the rain. It's like another rain.
Spencer. Let's get the fire started, Spence. You see the campfire going? Purple.
Yeah, that one? That's purple yam.
Yes, ube. Is it warm?
Good.
It's pretty warm, isn't it? We gotta cook the ube and then we're gonna eat some, yeah? Ladybug. I think we're looking for a ladybug here. Ladybug, where are you? Ladybug, where are you? Oh, I think I see it. Oh, Caleb, you found it! Nice job! And the football? Spencer, do you see where the football is? It looked like this. Yo, you guys found it! Nice job, you guys! Can you give Spencer a high five? Yeah! Yeah, nice job!
I'll play with something new.
Hi, Chase.
Hello.
Hi,
You can.
Hi. Hi, Chase. Your little belly is popping out.
It's okay. Rose.
Check it out. You got rolls here. We need a little bit more wood, Spence. Can we pick some up here? Like this? Oh, this is stuck to the ground. This one, this is a pretty good piece. Can you take that? We gotta look for the ones that are loose, okay? Let's gather all the wood. Let's make a big pile over here, you guys.
Caleb, slow down. Caleb, can you do slow? Well, how are we gonna do this with 4 kids?
I know, right? We need help. We're gonna need help. Yeah, you can open it. Here you go.
Right there, he's on the floor.
Let's do. Okay, stand back, stand back, stand back. Okay.
Yeah, otherwise
Hold on,
the whole
we're gonna
day is
do-
just a lot of weight.
Let's do a bunch. Okay, back a little bit.
I'm so tired.
Oh, I'm
Sit right
pretty
here.
tired too.
Well, you guys are the brave one that actually came out here, though. It's like
Yeah.
I don't think anyone would
Yeah.
would do it.
Only because we have seasoned pros.
Yeah, we felt a little bit
Yeah.
more in good company.
Otherwise, yeah, I don't think we would venture out this far.
You guys weren't expecting to be out here either, right?
No.
No.
Not at all. Not this far out.
I don't know what
Yeah.
we were expecting. We
Yeah.
just packed just to go.
Just to go. You didn't even
Just to
think
go,
much
we
about
had
it.
No itinerary. What's
Yeah, I think we just had an itch to get out and like do something
very
before we go back. But yeah, this has been really nice.
The thing is, like, it's not really that different, though. We're really only a few hours away from civilization.
Yeah. I think that's the comfort where, like, like we're only a stop away.
Yeah.
From a restaurant. Or,
Yeah.
like,
You're not that far. Like, everywhere is like within maybe an hour, 2 hours away from
Yeah.
town.
Yeah.
Like, whether it's a big town or small town, that's
Yeah.
like the only difference.
Yeah, actually, when driving through Wyoming, it felt like it was so much empty land.
Yes.
But like, even that, there's like a small town wherever
Everywhere,
to
yeah.
get gas, to get stuff.
Yeah, there's never really anywhere that you
I didn't
can't.
really realize. I thought it was gonna be like anxiety, like
Yeah.
road anxiety. Where
Yeah.
you're not gonna have.
I think having like company too, it makes you
Yeah,
guys
for
feel,
sure. I
Yeah.
think that,
you know,
that's
like
true.
you're not alone.
Yeah.
There are some places that you feel like pretty isolated. Though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, I mean, there's
Oh,
campers here too. Like,
Yeah,
there's people
campers.
here.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're making some meatballs, right, Spence?
You're not cooking it.
Yeah, not really cooking, Spence.
All these names.
Very hot. Husbands. You've never been to a Cantonese people. Understand that it backfires.
Yeah.
Okay, you're having fun, aren't you?
Yeah. You're having fun. Oh my goodness.
That is camping.
That is camping, yeah, that is playing outside.
That's how you do real camping. Wait. Yeah, your hands are dirty.
You got ube, right? Can you don't touch it. It's very hot.
Hold on. It's hot. You want some? Yeah.
Don't run.
1, 2, 3, cheese! One, two, three, go!
1, 2, 3.
Wow!
Oh my goodness.
Your heart.
It's raining. Yeah. Oh man. There you go.
Alright guys, it just started to rain and we're just gonna call it a night. It's like 9 p.m. right now. We're gonna hang inside for the rest of the night, right? And tomorrow we're gonna be continuing our way towards Jackson Grand Teton National Park. If you guys want to keep watching our time, 2 families, van life with kids, camping and doing van life, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified when the new video comes out. And if you enjoy watching this video, smash that like button so that I can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. Okay. Bye, guys.